This readout details the state of the external internet, based on a recent 5-day intelligence scan of over 7,000 hosts. Looking at this numerical breakdown, the scan required 92 coordinated vulnerability disclosures spanning 12 countries and 5 major industries. The catalyst for this exposure volume is the rapid acceleration of AI-assisted software generation. Developers are deploying applications in days instead of months. While this deployment speed accelerates output, it outpaces basic security hygiene. Up to 62% of newly generated code now ships with vulnerabilities. The majority of these new exposures are not sophisticated zero-day exploits, they are simple, foundational misconfigurations. This chart categorizes the lowest complexity flaws found. You can see 292 instances of front-end source code leaking and 33 easily spoofable email domains. Down at the bottom, the highest severity errors appear. 4 instances of internal network services exposed directly to the public internet. Traditional enterprise security tools assume a 5-person development team and an experienced security officer. They are too heavy, too slow, and too expensive for a solo founder deploying a weekend prototype. Independent builders need immediate, straightforward alerts for configuration errors within their own workspace before their vulnerable code ever reaches production. Lictor-Ai is an automated security scanner built specifically to bridge this workflow gap for the AI-assisted developer. This schematic illustrates Lictor's local deployment model. Instead of relying on an external dashboard, an 11-node agent cluster integrates directly into standard development environments. The cluster filters findings through a dedicated translation node, processing raw security data into strict, plain English explanations, avoiding complex jargon entirely. Because the execution is fully local and uses zero telemetry, proprietary source code and API keys never leave the developer's laptop. Effective security for rapid prototyping has to operate silently within the existing workspace, protecting the codebase without adding cognitive load. Security tools for independent builders require a foundation of verifiable trust rather than closed-source corporate promises. This methodology strip outlines Lictor's operational baseline. It relies on an Apache 2.0 open-source license, head-only vulnerability confirmation, and a strict 60-day coordinated disclosure window. The project maintains a strict ethical boundary. It never publicly names the independent developers or small teams affected by these repository leaks. By operating as a transparent public good, Lictor provides the safety net that lets smaller teams build freely. You can deploy the tool directly from lictor.ai.com/business.